I can't unlock my oven door. It's a Frigidaire. I get a dr-0 code.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It was delivered yesterday. Smooth surface freestanding 5.3 cubic foot self-cleaning electric range, black, common, 30 in, actual, 2-item hash, 848,338 model hash, FLEF 3018T.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I can try. The oven door is open but the lock is engaged so the door doesn't close properly.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Okay, so it sounds like your door latch may have failed. Try turning the breaker off to the unit for 60 seconds to see if it will reset. When you turn the circuit breaker on, go inside and push on the door and hold it for a minute or two in case it's rubbing on the door latch, not letting it release. If that doesn't work, then try to set the self-clean, wait 60 seconds and cancel it to see if that will reset the door latch assembly. If nothing resets the door lock, then you just need to manually open the door and replace the door latch assembly. It's not easy to manually unlock the door. You'll need to use a coat hanger and pull the latch assembly from right to left by slipping it down between the door and the oven frame at the top. Force the latch over to the left and open the door, then you can remove the panel in front of the door latch and replace the latch assembly. Now I do want to also add that you may need something stronger than a coat hanger to manually open the door. If you have an L-shaped tool like a cotter pin puller or Allen wrench, that might give you the added strength to be able to pull on the latch and release it. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Excellent. You helped solve the problem. Thank you.
No problem, and glad I could help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.